if I have any issues at shows, I have that little problem with wanting to fix it immediately. At the recent show I was at Javits in New York City, I had everything on my R18 RocknRoller, weighed a lot of weight. I was pushing it, and then when I had to get through some doors, the whole thing basically tipped over because I didn't have a big enough platform. I wanted to fix that, so I reached out to LavaCart, and I bought this all blacked out version, upgraded the bearings and quick releases, and got the platforms to not have that issue, hopefully, again. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen, a short video on what I call my series of being organized and efficient. We are recording this down in the basement garage, came down the elevator with all this stuff, including everything behind here. This is a video about something new that's going to make my life much easier when I'm rolling with a lot of equipment and bags at trade shows or corporate events. And one of the videos I did before this was talking about this new SKB bag that in collaboration with Think Tank. Let's see how my new audio plugin's working with the car that just pulled in. This is a 3-camera setup. We're using the ZVE10 II, DJI Action 5, and the DJI Osmo Pocket. We have audio going through Saramonic Ultra to the ZVE10. The Action 5 has no audio, just the ambient audio, and we're using DJI Mic 2 going to the Osmo Pocket. So we can show technically 4 different audios because I also have the Tentacle Track E 32-bit float. So 32-bit float, Mic 2 32-bit float, and the Tentacle Track E 32-bit float. And when I go down here, the Action 5 will be just ambient audio. I have everything on a YC Onion Pinita Pro tripods with batteries, keeping everything charged up. And this is going to be a video about my new system of rolling around at trade shows. This is the RocknRoller R14 all blacked out version, which is nice with the exception of the silver part, which would be nice if that's black. Upgraded the bearings and also added quick releases, and a company from New York that I purchased this from also has these really nice platforms. This should be the platform that goes down there, and the one I have as the base is the top one. It's a workstation, but for me, I want to be able to have a very secure platform when I'm rolling around with all my bags. The stand is the all black version, and it comes not with these quick releases, which I also got from the company. Take the wheel off. This comes off, and then the wheel comes off quickly. So if you need to get this inside of your car, within seconds, you will have it off. So the clip goes on. This is the LavaCart. It's made in the Northeast, I believe, New York. This is the portion that's supposed to be the workstation, but I want to use this to be able to transport a lot of my equipment on a much wider platform than the RocknRoller, which is typically only this wide, if you can see, hopefully. So this increases it by a few inches, which gives me the ability to put a lot of cases on. So I have 2 cases that will go here, which holds my light stands and other equipment, and without falling off. Because if you have a lot of cases on your RocknRoller, the RocknRoller needs to be wider, or your cases need to be wider, but neither company is going to change. So to alleviate that unsteadiness, I reached out to LavaCart, bought this system, which this system is made to make your RocknRoller a rolling media cart. It has holes in the bottom for you to put plugs in, etc. But for me, I'm going to use this as a really stable platform. If you make it this far, if you like what I'm doing, I'm not young. I'm 60 years old as of October, and I'm still trying to learn. I'm still trying to be efficient. Even though I'm 60, hopefully I'm helpful for everybody. male, female, young and old. Walter Van Dusen. Thank you very much.